Hi, and thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Today's a quick clip of what you'll be seeing next week. We're going to be unveiling this training video and the video testimony of Refresh EcoWash, one of our latest customers out here yesterday for training, getting to do a full walk around of the truck and obviously see it for the first time. They did take advantage of our Kickstarter package. So if you're thinking about doing this business, pick up the phone, give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931, or visit ecowashindustries.com. Read up on what we offer you as far as a new company goes. We are not a franchise. This is your own brand. But I assure you, starting out a new business, working with a company who's also in that service that you're buying into, learning from a company who's gone out and procured municipalities, solid waste, container maintenance contracts, you're gonna get that information, that know-how. Also working with EWI, all the reference and credibility we've developed over this industry, the marketing material we developed over this industry in the 4 years we've been doing this service. This also comes with the Kickstarter package. So give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. Again, this is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.